This is the story of a dog called COVID. He was born during the outbreak of the COVID-19 virus and was literally born into the world of stray dogs in the streets of Lagos, Nigeria. He grew up on the streets depending on anyone willing to help fill his tummy anytime he gets hungry. And most times, he just has to source for what to eat, just like every other stray dogs, which is not healthy in any way.
Ajá kan tó ṣe àsìkò COVID ni wọ́n gbé ajá yẹn tó bá ti lọ wá ṣeré because kò sí olùtọ́jú fún kò sẹ́ni tó ń tọ́jú ẹ̀ wọ́n lè ṣe é sọ́dọ̀ mi wá fún lẹ́ja ìgbà máa ṣe é sọ́dọ̀ lórí náà tó bá tún ṣeré bọ̀ wá tún fún lẹ́ja táyé pé ní COVID kò dé pé COVID gbọ̀ngàn ní orúkọ ẹ̀ bí kò jẹ́ ajá tó jà tó dẹ̀ pásìkò yẹn gbọ̀ngàn lọ́dún láti pè ní COVID.
Happiness for many people means earning a lot of money in life, becoming very successful, and doing everything they can to provide for themselves and their families. Well, for PUPIPAY, it is the same, but we have one particular thing that spices up that happiness. I mean, that's one thing that makes our joy complete. It is helping the needy. And that is why PUPIPAY have decided to embark on the journey of building animal shelter in Nigeria and other African countries. Because there are millions of stray animals on the streets of Africa that needs help.
A lot of people ask about the dog. Does this dog have a COVID-19? It does not have COVID-19 because it was born around COVID-19. I always give this dog food. The dog was just going around giving fish, giving anything. Some people giving anything around. But the dog was just born around COVID-19. That's what I know about the dog.
My name is Dr. Ben Oloha, DVM Nigeria. I was called to come and attend to a mongrel dog by name COVID. I just want to let you know that I'm quite impressed, at least by my client taking time to look after one of the stray dogs, especially in Nigeria and Africa. Is always a problem because they're not being cared of. They are being exposed to a lot of environmental factors like being knocked down, being attacked by other dogs, scavenging from the dustbins, which will lead to a lot of medical implications, especially the issue of anti-rabies, which I've just called to come and attend to. Being a dog that run on the street, you might easily get, rabies. And again, the zoonotic aspect of it is that if such dogs being affected by rabies, it will be expose a lot of the populations around that area to rabies endemic. So it is quite good that I came to vaccinate against rabies. I hope that other, well-meaning individuals, even the owners of such dogs, will try as much as possible to do the normal routine immunizations for their dogs, and then try as much as possible to look for a shelter, confine them. Then by mere normal physical examination, I'm quite impressed. No external parasites, like thick and flakes. It looks very neat and clean. Then we also deworm, because scavenging from the dustbin and picking, all of that will lead to a lot of internal worms, which the deworming that we just done will take care of it. The roborants too, just normal multivitamin that will help boost the dog's immune system and all that.
PUPIPAY is also building NFT marketplace to also support musicians and artists. So by buying PUPIPAY token, you are helping rescue these dogs. Buy PUPIPAY now. All you need to do is go to our website www.pupipay.com for more information.